Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to use clear calling on Google Pixel. Let's have a look. For this video I am using Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. First, you need to swipe up from home screen to display all apps. Then scroll down and tap Settings. In Pixel Settings, tap Sound and Vibration. Under Sound and Vibration, scroll down and find out Clear Calling. Reduce background noises during calls. Tap Clear Calling. Under Clear Calling, simply turn on Use Clear Calling. Once the feature is enabled, you can start to use Clear Calling simply by placing a phone call to anyone. From there, you should hear a difference in the clarity of the person you are speaking with. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.